These include intrinsic matter such as desquamated epithelial cells, inflammatory cells, and microorganisms, and extrinsic matter such as dust particles that may have entered the eye from the atmosphere. Most of this matter is flushed away during daily lens wear because of yung blink activated tear pump. But if there is tear film instability, sometimes this one causes complications talaga. One of this is yung mucin balls. So, mucin balls is the accumulation of such debris during extended lens wear. So, potentially, ang usual na ano natin here is yung extended lenses, which is monthly disposables, or yung conventional lenses, which is around the ano siya, 10 months to 10-month wear, or yung 6-month wear na contact lenses ninyo. So can be retained at the corneal surface for the longer periods, mostly observed in patients using silicone hydrogel lenses. So ito yung isa na ano natin. We have most of yung mga developments natin is, di ba maganda sana ang kumbaga maganda sana ang silicone hydrogel because it has more oxygen permeability, a lot better type of ano siya, a better type of material that is somewhat retaining water also, mga ganyan. But even though we have advancement with that, it is still somewhat of a double-edged sword. Kaya siya nagkaroon pa rin, there are some complications pa rin to this type of material. But still, it is somehow minimal pa rin naman ang kanyang complications compared to other materials. So, the signs are usually they are observed within minutes of lens insertion between the post-lens surface and the corneal epithelium. Makita niyo siya as blobs dun sa surface. This one is observed under direct white light and low illumination, and appears as a mass of discrete gray dots that seem to be fixed in position. So hindi siya masyadong gumagalaw. Kung gumagalaw man siya, very restricted naman or very small lang yung movements niya. Kasi if it is moving, that could just be some bubbles that were formed due to yung kaka-wear ng patient ninyo. So usually, after lens removal, the majority of mucin balls are blinked away, leaving depressions, pits, or imprints. So meron siyang mga depressions dun sa epithelial surface ninyo. But some remain lodged, especially kung medyo matagal din siya talagang na-rub into yung epithelial surface ninyo. So, what are the signs for mucin balls? Signs usually when we are going to instill sodium fluorescein into the eye, both the remaining mucin balls and the aqueous in the epithelial depressions stain with fluorescein, resulting in a pattern of punctate spots over the cornea, as you can see here in the photo. Parang spots siya. So, one of the symptoms here is there is immediate discomfort after lens removal. So, there is, yung usual na cause niya is yung depletion of yung aqueous component of your tear film. Most of our contact lens complications is due to aqueous deficiency. There are some that can be attributed to mucin deficiency and lipid deficiency, but most of the time, aqueous deficiency ang ano natin, parang common na causes natin for these types of dry eyes associated with contact lens wear. So, one of the managements that we do for mucin balls is fitting the patients with lenses that are not made of silicone hydrogel lenses. So we fit them with the hydrogel lenses or a different material or altogether, or maybe some rigid lenses na lang din. When we go for hydrogel lenses, we go for yung mga higher water content naman. Daily disposables or yung 2-week disposables na contact lenses ninyo. There are also hydrogel lenses that are monthly disposables, although somehow limited na siya ngayon. There are also conventional wear contact lenses that are not silicone hydrogel. One of those contact lenses, conventional wear contact lenses are yung mga 6-month disposables nila. So fitting patients with silicone hydrogel lenses, but the clinician must take extra steps to minimize yung formation of mucin balls. Kasi if, kumbaga, in other cases, there causes or parang reasons ninyo, there are no available options. Almost all of your contact lenses are or all of your suppliers or yung pwede mong maibigay sa pasyente or yung parameters ng pasyente is much more better for and only available sa silicone hydrogel lenses, then we still do silicone hydrogel. But we take extra steps to minimize naman si ano. We take extra steps to minimize the formation of mucin balls. So how do we do that? We tackle the cause, which is yung aqueous component. So we give lubricating solutions, or we manage also with our yung ano niya, yung lens care solution niya. We try to check for a viable option for your patient, a much better option.